Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by unlocking your iPhone and opening the Wallet app so you can access transaction information quickly. Tap the card you used for the purchase. This brings up the card view and recent charges. If Face ID or Touch ID appears, authenticate to reveal full details. This secures sensitive data while letting you proceed. Once done, glance at the first few items to confirm date, merchant, and amount before moving to detailed transaction history. Next, scroll through the transaction list and tap any entry to see merchant, date, amount, and sometimes a map or phone number. For extended history beyond Wallet's recent items, tap the card issuer link or open the bank's app from Wallet. They maintain full statements and downloadable records. Make sure to use search or month filters where present to narrow results quickly, and note that pending charges may display differently versus posted transactions, so check both. Finally, export records by taking screenshots or downloading statements from your bank app when you need receipts or tax documentation. If a charge is incorrect, use the card's detail view to find the issuer contact or open the bank app to start a dispute. Do this promptly for best resolution. If transactions are missing or stale, make sure iOS is updated, restart the iPhone, and if necessary, remove and re-add the card to refresh syncing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.